In modern enterprises and professional environments, display and multimedia systems are no longer just a screen or a set of speakers. They are engineered systems built to support real communication and daily operations. The goal is simple but demanding. Visuals must be visible. Audio must be clear. Signals must remain stable. Operations must be controllable, and the system must be maintainable over time. At the front end are the display terminals, commercial displays, LED walls, video wall systems, and interactive flat panels. Each one serves a different space, viewing distance, and communication need. Audio is just as important as the image. Microphones, loudspeakers, DS processors, and amplifiers work together so speech can be captured, processed, and heard clearly across the room. Between the sources and the end loads, signal processing and transport keep the system connected. Matrix switchers, video processors, and AV over IP infrastructure route, scale, and distribute content reliably. At the back end, content management platforms, central control systems, and monitoring tools help teams publish content, operate rooms, and manage device status across the system. A reliable multimedia system depends on the full chain: front-end devices, signal transport, control, content platforms, network infrastructure, power protection, mounting structures, and maintenance access. The real value is not decided by one specification. It is decided by whether the system can keep supporting information display, collaboration, command, communication, branding, and daily operations in real environments. The same device can perform very differently in a meeting room, a command center, a retail space, an education environment, a transport hub, or an industrial site. Context changes the result. In real projects, many problems do not come from the device alone. They come from missing system links or poor matching, such as incompatible signals, unstable switching, audio-video delay, or confusing room control. These issues affect more than user experience. They can create downtime, increase maintenance workload, reduce system life, limit future expansion, and even introduce operational or compliance risks. For professional users, the key question is not simply what device to buy. It is how to build a complete, stable, and expandable system from the beginning of the project. This also means planning for deployment, maintenance, management, and future upgrades. A good system should not only work on day one, but remain serviceable throughout its lifespan. In the end, a display and multimedia system is an integrated solution across devices, networks, and scenarios. Only by treating it as an engineering system can it deliver stable operation, long-term visibility, and continuous business value.